Good morning, dear students. I am teaching chapter 15 light. Chapter 15 light. So last topic I discussed about to show 7 colors combined to form white light. And in activity 15.12 to show a prism splits white light into 7 colors. So what are the materials required for the activity? First, you will take an equilateral glass prism and white sheet of paper, powerful source of light or sunlight coming from a small hole in a dark room. What you will do? Place the glass prism in such a way that its triangular surface touches the table in a dark room, and then allow the sunlight to enter the dark room through this small hole which you made, such that it falls on the rectangular faces of prism, and alternatively enclose the powerful source of light in a wooden box having a small hole. Allow the light from this hole to fall on the rectangular face of prism. Then where you have to place a white screen on the other side of the prism, then you will observe that a band of 7 colors formed and on the white paper, and this such that red color is on the top and violet as the bottom, and the order of colors starting from violet to red is Vibgyor, that is the violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Where V stands for the violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange and R for red. And the band of 7 colors is called the spectrum. And this phenomena is responsible for the dispersion of light. That phenomena is responsible for the dispersion of light. You can see the color of the spectrum of the soap bubbles, water covered within the layer of oil, and the compact disc, that is the CD in sunlight. You can see that colors. And oral questions are given on page number 180 in old book. And this chapter 15 light completed. Chapter 15 light completed, and now syllabus completed. I have completed all chapter 17, 18, 6, and this is the chapter, last chapter, that is the 15 light. And you can write notes in the copy. Only chapter 15 is remaining. Chapter 15 I will give, and you have to write in copy. And now we will discuss about the keywords. Keywords given from the chapter 15. Concave lens. What is a concave lens? A lens which is thicker at the edges and tapering in the middle is called the concave lens. And what is a concave mirror? A reflecting surface which curves inward, that is called the concave mirror. Convex lens, a lens which is thicker in the middle and tapering at the edges is called the convex lens. Convex mirror, a reflecting surface which curve outward is called the convex mirror. What is the dispersion of light? The phenomena due to which white light splits into 7 colors, that is the Vibgyor, is called the dispersion of light. What is the image? A view of well illuminated object in a mirror or through a lens. Lens, a piece of transparent material which has 1 or 2 spherical surfaces called the lens. Mirror, a smooth polished surface from which reflection takes place, that is called the mirror. Rainbow, an arc consisting of 7 colors, that is the Vibgyor, formed in the sky and just after the rain during daytime you can see. A reflection, what is the reflection of light? The phenomena due to which a ray of light bounces off a smooth polished surface in the same medium. And what is a real image? An image formed by the actual convergence of rays of light which are reflected by a mirrors or pass through a lens. What is a virtual image? An image in which the rays reflected by a mirror or on passing through lens diverges, but to the eye they appear to converge at some point. This is all about chapter 15 light. Chapter 15 light completed, and you will take revision of this chapter.